Hello, welcome to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. Here's another fun set, low-cost set for families that are doing a little struggling right now in this whole financial mess we're in. This set gives you a nice playable set for children or even an adult that could add it to their Lego city, keep the cost down, and have a fun build experience and a rewarding experience for children to not only build this, but to play with it when they're done. This is a great set. It's a Lego City set. It's set number 60453. It's a Lifeguard truck, 214 pieces, and has a full Lifeguard theme. What you have in this set is, again, 214 pieces, 2 numbered bags, and there's your manual. And with the manual, you can see you get additional features on this set. You get the minifigures, 2 minifigures. You get the shark and the other pieces here. Insert boards. Sticker sheet is right here. Not many stickers in this set, thankfully. Just those 3 main stickers. They'll be used. And this will be a nice, fun set. This will be a great set to give as a gift. Or just to add to your Lego collection. It's a nice looking little set. Runs $24.99, so the cost is low. It's a 6+ set, so children of all ages can build this, as well as adults like me, and really makes a nice set to add to your collection. So come along with me. We'll build this. I'll stop at the first bag and give you an update, and then we'll move on to the second bag and give you a review when we're complete. And this should be a fun set. So please come along with me for this build, and we'll have some fun and get the same experience that children 6+ get when they build this set. And I've been very surprised by how much fun this really is to build these smaller sets, since I generally tend to build all sets and larger sets as well, and do builds and reviews on those. But these smaller sets gives you kind of a perspective as to how children build these, and you know, the whole building experience, and then the joy of having the completed set. So come along with me. Let's have some fun with this, and we'll be back after the first bag and give you an update. Thanks so much for coming along and watching, and we'll be back. Welcome back. Here we have the Lego City set. This is the Lifeguard truck city set, 6+ age range, 214 pieces, and set number 60453. And we're now on the second bag, the 2 bags. So we're on the last bag. Here's where we're at. Bag 2. Manual's been excellent, very easy to follow. There's 2 minifigures in this set. One is the Lifeguard and one is the surfer. And here's the layout of bag 2. Right there. We do have 4 tires and wheels, which are not, of course, installed yet. That'll be installed in this bag. And here is what we have so far after the first bag. Here's the Lifeguard truck and the Lifeguard himself right here. He's got his little blowhorn there to warn swimmers, and he's got a little tablet with him as well. You have a shark in this set, which is very interesting because this shark's mouth opens and closes, which is very interesting. And a lot of nice detail to this truck. And of course, we'll have in the next bag, we'll have a lot more buildup in the back section here where the Lifeguard's standing. So there you go. That's where we're at so far. Nice fun set to build so far. The doors open and close. You have a nice dashboard interior in there. You can't really see it very well here, but got a lot of nice detail in there. And of course, you can place the Lifeguard inside there if you want to make him the driver. And there we go. So that's what we have so far. Fun set to build so far. And again, this is another one of my continuing ideas here to highlight how much these sets cost. And if you're a family that's just having a tough time right now, a little bit short on funds, but you still want to give your child, or anybody really, a nice set to build and keep the cost down, this is a great way to do it. And this is a nice little set. It's only a $24.99 set, and Really, really fun. It looks great, and will give some playability for a child to build this. And then, of course, you have the build, which is very, very, very rewarding to a child, and be able to play with it when they're done. And place it, of course. I'll use this as just a nice placeable model, which is really nice for adults as well. And it gives you a perspective as to how a child is building this set, which has really been enlightening to me since I've built mainly larger sets. So that's where we're at now. Please stay with me. We got one more bag to go, and we'll be back with the finished set and a full review, and we'll see how it comes along. Again, thanks for staying with me. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Here's the completion of the set. It's the Lego City Lifeguard truck, 6+ age range. It's set number 60453, 214 pieces, and this set is a very low $24.99. And to go along with my whole theme here of being able to have parents buy a low-cost set for their child to enjoy, or an adult could enjoy this as well, to keep the cost down because of the financial strains that are on everybody these days, and let kids have a nice, playable, and buildable set that would be a lot of fun to play with and looks great. And this is another one of those sets released recently by Lego, and looks fantastic, and has a lot of nice little features. And this has been a fun build. I hope you all came along with me and enjoyed it as I did, and it's been a lot of fun. Here's the parts list for the entire set, and went together very well, no problems at all. Very few stickers, just I believe it was 3 stickers total, and you can see those on the truck as we get the detail of the truck. The truck's really, really cool looking. You have a Lifeguard sticker up front, you have the stickers on the side, on each side, and there's your 3. You have surfboards on the top and railings on the sides. Really nice looking truck. It's got nice fat wide tires to be able to handle the sand, and it really looks great. The minifigure, there are 2 of them, and of course the Lifeguard can sit in the truck. The top will come off. There's a sunroof on that, which is kind of nice, and the top will come off, and you can place the Lifeguard minifigure inside. As you see here, got a front bumper grill, lights, really nice looking set. This truck is really nice. It makes a nice little model by itself, I think. I should turn this. There's a storage area in the back, Lifeguard sticker on the back, and this comes down. Tailgate comes down. Really, really cool, I think. And looks pretty nice. Rear lights, really looking good. The doors do open as well, and just really, really nice, well-detailed truck. Here's your 2 minifigures. You have one person that the Lifeguard can rescue. Gonna go out to the ocean with their surfboard. Here's the Lifeguard. He's all dressed up, just like you'd see on a Lifeguard. He's got a red hat. He's got his little bullhorn there to warn people about rip currents. He's got his tablet right along there, and looking good. And then what stores in the back of the truck is 2 storage containers. You can see he's got little fins for his feet, binoculars. He's got a first aid kit and a water bottle. All that store in there. Nice details. And then you got the shark. And we always have a shark in the ocean. This one's kind of unique though, because his mouth opens and closes, as you can see there. Sorry, it's out of focus because of my hand. But yeah, his mouth opens and closes right there. It's like a mini Jaws. And that's included with the set as well. So a really nice looking set here for $24.99. This is a very playable set. I think children would love this. I kind of like it, and I'm an adult, so there you go. Makes a nice little standalone model with all the accessories. So there you have it. The Lifeguard truck. Very fun set, looking good, nicely built, goes together nicely. The parts are all high quality. The stickers fit on very well. The sticker quality was excellent. And to follow the manual, really easy. No problems at all in the manual. And there you have it. So, thank you so much for coming along. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this build as much as I did. It was a lot of fun. And thank you so much for coming along on the build. And please like, subscribe, and share. And also comment. If you have this truck in this entire set, let me know how it went for you to build it and if you're enjoying it. So thanks again for watching. And we'll be back with the next build, which will come along shortly. Again, thanks so much for watching.